Okay, this is a quick demonstration of how to replace a stuck adjuster. So this one is one of the ones that was returned to me because the adjuster stuck. We'll see if we can stick it again. Going tight clockwise until the burrs are touching very tightly. And yes, that one sticks. Most of the ones I was able to free with my fingers, but some of them are too tight, so that's it. Once you break it free, you should be able to unscrew it. And the way to remove it to replace it is you unscrew this thumb screw safety. You don't need to mess with any of the 3 screws that hold that on. You take off the thumb screw safety, looks like that, and then you just wind the adjuster all the way off the end of the drive shaft. Note that there is a spring that you can see pushing up this nail burr and click plate, so it is under tension, but it's not going to shoot off. Just be aware that there is some tension behind it. Old adjuster comes off, you'll have a new one. It looks identical to it. You line these pieces up, you can see there's a flat spot so that the drive shaft goes through the click plate. You'll put some pressure on that. You'll take your new adjuster, hold it on, hold the top with your other hand so that it's not rotating with it. And, oops, let the tension get too far. Make those line up. Screw the new adjuster on. Put your thumb screw safety on if you want to use your thumb screw safety. The only thing this screw does is prevents that adjuster from turning all the way off the end of the drive shaft and unintentionally disassembling your pepper cannon. So that's it. You don't fiddle with those screws. Remove the safety screw, remove the adjuster, thread the new one on, and you'll be good to go.